guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riffa. I am in Seaside now in Oregon and it's a nice day. The sun is out. I'm going to walk to the Promenade. It's like the center of the seaside, the tourist spot, and you'll see. Stay tuned guys, follow me. That is 101 North and that's the name of the street, Broadway. I'm at the very beginning. Oh my god, look at these flowers guys, they're so pretty. Oh. If you look for restaurants and pubs and stores, you can find all of them here on the Promenade. This road will end up at the turnaround and you'll see it's a very interesting place. It's very historical. I'm crossing the street now because I want to see this historical I don't think they have red lights here. And this street is already one-way street. Ooh. It is such a nice day. Take a moment admiring these flowers that I have never seen before. And this is the river. Also, there are so many hotels along the promenade, or basically in this area, closer to the beach. What's interesting is that I've seen so many license plates from so many states here in the US, even from Canada.
I'm like, it's funny. Like, how good? That's Anna, bro.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go to a donut place. That's Dundee Donuts. I'm gonna go and have these donuts at the beach. I'm just gonna walk for now. And everybody's like more outside. So that is the Seaside Carousel Mall. If you check on what to see in Seaside, they will put this Seaside Carousel Mall as one of the places that you gotta see here in Seaside.
Let's go see the lumber cars tomorrow or the next day.
I think that is perfectly that perfectly fits the family vacation for the kids.
Well, yeah, because they're in your fingernails.
Oh, no, that's not good.
Ooh. Wow, the restaurant, steak, seafood, and pasta. This is one of the restaurants that you should visit while you're here. Finn's Fireside Patio. And there are so many ice cream stores here. Look at these flowers, so pretty. Oh, oh, so pretty. Look at this. And this is the fun lands again for family activities. There's also the food court. And this is where families, adults and children, look at that ice cream line. Ice cream. Long line. I'm almost reaching the end. And this is the turnaround, the end of the promenade. So this is like the monument of Lewis and Clark Trail.
Hi, chair. No, we sell vacation packages.
So this is it, the monument of Lewis and Clark. And here is the beach today. The sun is out, everybody's in there. And I am now by the beach. I think at the South Beach. It's like a lot more quiet than the Seaside Beach, which is like very touristic, but of course it's like the closest to the town, to Promenade. And of course, if you have kids and you don't want to walk that far, that is the right place for you. But I am intended to find the more quiet beach, and here I am at the, I don't know, I think they have a name for this beach. This is the view from where I am standing. It's a lot nicer with all the grass and the mountain at the background and nice houses instead of hotels and inns. There are still some people, like many, on the beach. And what I like from this beach is the beach is not long. It is like a short walk from the end of this path to the beach. Unlike the seaside, it's like, oh my god, it's so long and it's hard to walk on the sand. Let's see what we can see here. It's so nice. there is a warning about the currents, the dangerous ones on this beach, and everybody should be cautious, especially when you surf here. Heavy surf and or dangerous currents possible on this beach. So that is the Seaside Beach. You can see more people. I think it will be nice to walk around here. So the end of this beach named Tides, we rode the bicycles until some inns there, and it was nice, very close to the beach, but that's not my liking. I don't really like to stay very close to the ocean, and it's nice to walk around here. It's nice to live like beautiful hotels, beautiful houses, the oceans, and you know, some people playing with the water, do flying the kites, and you know, like the beach activities. But I don't like to live by the beach. That's it. I just like to enjoy it, not living by. Nah, I'm more like living there, like at the mountain with the view here, where I can see sunsets every day when the weather's nice. I'm getting tired walking on this sand. I'm gonna go back to the path. Oh my god, and the sand, you see this? It's full of sand here now because of the design of my sneakers. Very not cool. It is great for walking, you know, or doing some activities, but clearly not for here, not for the beach, not for the sand. Okay, where do I go now? There should be like some path leading to the walks. I think I see one here. Oh my gosh, it takes like forever just to go there. Walking on this sand. This is Lewis and Clark Monument at the turnaround here on Seaside, where the vehicles turn around, motor vehicles. This is end of the trail. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the promenade because I do. I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.